Next, you are going to study about unguided media. So this is also a part of data transmission media. There are wired and wireless, that means guided and unguided media. We have only finished guided media. Next is unguided media. Unguided media means wireless media. That means it does not use any wires or cables to connect the devices on the network. Then how the data is transmitted? This unguided media sends or receives data through air or space. Through which area? Through the air or space data transmission is done. So data, then how, in which form the data will be transmitted through air or space? There are no wires. Then data is transmitted in which form? Is it in the form of light? No. The data is transmitted in the form of waves. Do you know what are waves? Here we will also say it signals, waves or signals. Waves, when you throw a stone into the water, you can see different waves moving around, isn't it? So such form of data is passed, or the data is passed in the form of such waves through air or space. So when it is useful, unguided media is useful when we transmit signals over vast distance, that means more distance or large distances. Then there are commonly used unguided media. They are radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, Bluetooth and wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi. Which are the unguided media? Radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, Bluetooth technology and Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity. Let's look at radio waves. What are radio waves? You are already familiar with the word radio, isn't it? So that radio receives radio waves from the air or space. Okay. So these radio waves penetrate into objects easily. What do you mean by penetrate? Penetrate means thulachu kayaruga. So penetrate into objects easily. Which waves? Radio waves. That means these waves can pass through the objects easily. The objects cannot be an obstacle in front of radio waves. It can pass through any object easily. These radio waves are used for long distance communication. And they have a specialty. They are omnidirectional. Omnidirectional means these radio waves are propagated in all directions when transmitted by an antenna. Propagated in all directions, not only in a single line. These waves are propagated in all directions when they are transmitted by an antenna. For example, when you throw a stone in the water, waves move in omnidirectional. That means into every direction it moves. Like that, radio waves also move in every direction or propagate in every direction. So they are called omnidirectional. Many directions may be there. And these radio waves are used when there is one sender and many receivers. Only one antenna will transmit the radio waves and there may be many receiving antennas which receive such waves. For example, when we use radio, the programs are broadcasted from the main transmitting area. Okay, there will be an antenna. This antenna will transmit or broadcast the programs. Then its signals will be passing through the air or space. That signals or data, radio waves, are passing through the air or space and when we are at we may be at anywhere. Okay, our radio can receive that signals using the small antenna on the radio. So there is only one sender and many other receivers. So radio waves are the best for this data transmission. Okay, so radio receives radio waves from air, or air catches the radio waves from air. Okay, that's why we can listen to the programs properly without any lag or without any difficulties in between that. The radio waves or signals can pass through any objects easily. There are no obstacles in front of radio waves. And cordless phones, that means wireless phones, also use radio waves. Cordless phones or wireless phones are different from mobile phones. Okay, cordless phones are different. The next are microwaves. They are high frequency radio waves. Microwaves are still radio waves itself. They are high frequency radio waves. What is frequency? Frequency means the number of waves. Number of waves that pass a fixed place. That pass a fixed place in a given amount of time. Frequency means the number of waves that pass a fixed place in a given amount of time. For example, if a wave takes half second to pass a fixed place, if some waves takes half second to pass a fixed place, then the frequency is 2. We can say the frequency is 2 per second. That means in 1 second 2 waves passes. Okay, in 1 second 2 waves. That is the frequency there. Okay, if it takes 1 by 100 of an hour, 1 by 100 of an hour, then the frequency is 100 per hour. In 1 hour 100 waves pass through a particular place. Okay, in 1 hour 100 waves. Okay, that is the frequency there. This frequency is measured in hertz. Hertz, hertz, that is the unit of frequency. You know, length is measured in meter, centimeter, millimeter, etc. So like that, frequency is measured in hertz unit. So here we were saying about microwaves. So microwaves are high frequency waves. That means the number of waves are increasing. The number of waves that can pass a particular place, a fixed place, are increasing in the case of microwaves. So they can transmit data over large distances. They can carry data through large distances or long distances. They can transmit data. These waves are using line of sight propagation method. You know, radio waves were omnidirectional. It propagates the data, or it propagates the waves in every direction. There is no particular direction. They are omnidirectional. But microwaves or signals travel only in straight line. Only in straight line. That means from one sender to a receiver. One sending antenna or transmitting antenna will be there, and another receiving antenna will be there. Okay, so line of sight propagation method, they are in a line, in a straight line. So there is a particular direction that follows. Okay, microwaves are line of sight. Microwaves are using line of sight propagation method, and they uses parabolic antennas such as satellite TV dish antennas. These antennas may be tens of kilometers away, but they are in a line of sight. Okay, they are in a straight line. Okay, So these are the two unguided media we studied, radio waves and microwaves. Next are infrared waves. You have already familiar with infrared waves. You already know where you use this, but you don't know the name. Okay, infrared waves, they are used in remote controls. You are daily using the remote controls, no? Remote controls uses infrared waves to communicate with the particular device, such as stereo or TV or DVD player. So infrared waves are also high frequency waves. They are used for short range communication. That means they are used for transmitting data between short distances. These waves can travel in a straight line. That means infrared waves also use line of sight propagation method. They cannot pass through solid objects. For example, if there is any obstacle or any solid object in between the remote control and the TV or a remote control and the set-top box, then you can't change the channel or you can't change the volume, etc. You cannot make the remote working, isn't it? So what you do? You will remove the object or you will change the position of the remote control so that the remote control and the device should come in a straight line, isn't it? So infrared waves are used in the remote controls. These waves are used for short range communication. So there is a particular distance between, there should be a particular short distance between remote control and the devices. And these infrared waves are used for indoor wireless LANs for connecting a PC. PC means personal computer with a wireless peripheral device. So infrared waves are used to connect indoor wireless LANs, wireless local area networks can be connected through infrared waves. That means that wireless LAN may contain computer and other wireless peripheral devices that can be connected through infrared waves. So when we try to connect our computer to another device, it will transmit infrared waves to other device. So these are the three types of waves we have studied, or unguided media we studied: radio waves, microwaves and infrared waves. Radio waves and microwaves are used for longer distance communication. Infrared waves are only for short range communication. Okay.